Hello students, class 9. Today I will explain our poem Wind. Students, you know wind is so pleasant for us, but means whatever uh, God wind means can do, and whatever done by him means for the weaklings, means weak persons, weak houses and weak things, means they make fun here in this poem. So let's start. Wind comes softly, don't break the shutters of the windows, don't scatter the papers, don't throw down the books on the shelf. Means in these four lines poet here expresses to wind that he want to say to wind that you have to come softly, don't come as the large storm, don't come like the storm. Okay, because if you will come in a stormy way, then you will break everything. So he want and he called the wind softly, and he also expresses that don't do these things, don't break the shutters, you have to not break the shutters window, and don't scatter the papers from the shelves. Poet here expresses and want to say the wind. Okay, next, there look what you did, you threw them all down, and you tore the pages, the books you bought rain again. Means you have done these things, you have broken these things, and you are means bringing the rain again also, so it is not good. Okay, and he also saying that you are every clever at poking fun at weaklings. Means poet here expresses that wind become as it is making fun with the things, with the weak things. Means it is making their fun. ये मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, जो चीज़ कमज़ोर है वो शक्तिशाली हवा के सामने मजाक बन करके रह जा रहे हैं. Poet here want to explain it and he is expresses in these lines. Okay. Poet expresses also means frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies. Crumble means होता है तोड़ना, means break. You are crumbling these things. Crumbling bodies also the weak persons. Okay, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts, and the wind god winnows and crushes them all. Means nothing is remain in front of a storm, in front of a stormy wind. Means it can break everything. It means poet here want to expresses the destruction, the destructive quality of wind. It can destruct of these things if it will not be better, not be comfortable, and not be friendly with us. It can be destructive for the human beings and for the weak things also. Okay.